With AI, making app designs is getting better every day, and with tools like Cursor, it's never been easier. But here's the thing. Even though it's easier, it's still not simple. If you've ever wondered why your websites end up looking like this, you're not alone. All the time, people complain about how Cursor really struggles with, and it is a completely normal thing since AI coding agents are not yet Meta or OpenAI software engineers. Today, I'll show you the ultimate UI setup to create beautiful apps and landing pages with a tool called CodeSpring. If you haven't heard, Apple recently released their new liquid glass UI design feature. In this video, we will attempt to replicate it and use the liquid glass elements. For this to happen, you must remember that the reason Cursor struggles with UI is because you're not giving it enough context. Cursor doesn't understand the subjectivity of what it means to build a beautiful website. And like I said before, AI agents need context, and tools like CodeSpring help us bridge that gap. CodeSpring will help us organize our entire app build so Cursor perfectly understands what UI we want for it. We will now go ahead and describe our app and UI to CodeSpring. In this case, we'll want to create a liquid glass project. So we'll want to create a page that has an input for the last day since we had a vacation. And after we input something, it will tell us the number of days that have passed since we've had that vacation, all using liquid glass. The key features for this app will include the input for the last day we had a vacation, calculation on the number of days that have passed, using liquid glass to create cards that display the information, and using an image of a beautiful beach in the background. We will create the project using CodeSpring and generate with AI. So, as you can see, it clearly says that we have the vacation date input, days calculation, liquid glass UI cards, and the beach background. So now to actually build this project, we will go ahead and copy the boilerplate from here. For this, we will go to Cursor, we'll open new project and create a new folder for it, and we'll name it liquid project. Once it's open, we'll just drag this thing here to open up the terminal, and we'll write git clone and paste the boilerplate. The entire app structure we need in seconds. What we'll do is we'll generate each PRD for each specific feature and download it to our computer. We'll just drag those product required documents into our project in Cursor. We will just tag all the product required documents and tell Cursor to build this app for us. Cursor has an extreme detailed description of what we want the features and the UI to look like. Cursor will take care of everything, and thanks to CodeSpring, we'll bridge the context gap that existed previously. Before we just told it to build a beautiful website, it would not be able to create what we were about to build. See, it has finished building, and we'll just run in a new command line, npm run dev. You can see it's been 120 days since my last vacation. UI design and build apps within minutes. Click the link down below and create your own CodeSpring account.